Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recall mail in Outlook. The first thing I want you to do is open up Outlook, go to your sent items, okay? And then just find the mail that you want to recall. Let's say this one right here, and then you just go ahead and click on that mail, and you'll see these three dots. I want you to click on those three dots, and here you'll see actions, right? And once you see actions, I want you to hover over actions, and then you'll see this option right here, recall this message. You can actually recall mails that you have sent, okay? And this can delete or replace the copies of the message in the recipient inboxes if the message has not been read, okay? So just click on that. They'll give you this prompt, okay? So just say you want to delete the unread copies of this message, and if you want to replace it, you can toggle this one on, and you can toggle this one to tell you if recall succeeds or fails for each recipient. Then hit OK, and you're done. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.